As soon as we can have lots of different rental units in the system, right? Like you see that right now, it can be a little bit tough to find it quickly. So for this purpose, we have different filters which will allow you to find a unit very quickly. So in the rental unit filter, I can start typing new unit, and my unit will be found. Or let's say I just need to type unit, the unit will be found as well. We can filter also the units by departments if they're assigned to the different department in the company, or if we have a structure of rental units in the system like we see it right now, structured by different folders and different groups. We can also filter by these groups. Let's say we need to see only forklifts. So I type forklifts, and those units that are put it in the forklifts folder will appear on my screen. If we will switch to the unit number screen, where we can see more details about our unit, and actually this screen is broke down by unit numbers. Here we have a little bit more filters, and we are able to filter units by statuses. Let's say we need to see only deployed units. I select the unit number status deployed, and all my deployed units are found here. I can also filter by client. There is nothing for these clients, but anyways, it allows me to filter by clients or by a particular location if I know exactly where my units are, and I need to see it in the availability dashboard. Also, you can use the search, our global search, to find the unit. If you start typing your unit number or name, it will be searched by the whole database, and it will be found here. Also, you can find the unit in the items list, again with a search. If I start typing light tower, well, all my light towers connected services and rental units will be found. The same approach will be used in the unit numbers list. If we need to find some particular unit number, I can start typing, and my unit number will be found as well.